Have you ever had a design you wanted to put on a shirt, but it just looked too square or boxed in? Slapping it on the shirt assist doesn't always look right. It can feel flat and unfinished. That's exactly the problem that Distressify solves. This brand new AI tool lets you instantly add grunge textures, distressed edges, and custom frames to your artwork, giving it that finished professional look. It works especially well on centered poster-style designs. With just a few clicks, you can turn a plain square graphic into a design that looks made for t-shirts, posters, or even digital art. And make sure you stick around until the end because I'll also be demonstrating our newest feature on the website, plus we'll be printing this design on a shirt. Let's head over to Distressify.com. The first step is to upload your image. Step 2 is to apply a texture overlay. You can choose between uploading your own custom texture, or you can select from different built-in categories such as cracked and worn, grunge and stains, noise and grain, splatters and drips, and halftone. Each category comes with its own set of texture overlays that you can choose from. Feel free to use any of those, and once you're happy with the result, we'll move on to step 3, which is adding frames and edge textures. You can also upload your own custom texture or simply choose from the built-in frames and edge textures. Adjust the height and width settings based on your preference. If you're happy with the design, just click Download, and your design will automatically be saved as a transparent PNG file. Now, let's make it DTF print ready by doing a black knockout. First, head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. We offer different services to help you print your design. For Gangsheet transfers, under the Gangsheet section, click on DTF Gangsheet Builder. Here you can choose how your Gangsheet will be. Sizes range from 22 by 12 to 22 by 100. You can also select how many copies you want to order. Once you're set, click Build your DTF gang sheet. You can either open a previously ordered gang sheet or start a new one. Upload your image. When a prompt like this appears, it means the system has detected semi-transparent pixels in your design. Printing with that quality isn't ideal, so the best option is to use the halftone feature, which is also included in our new tools. Just press Continue for now. Click on it to open the settings. Adjust the size based on your preference. Then click on Edit Image to access this new feature on our website. As you can see, there are 5 tools here: Remove Background, Upscale Quality, Halftone, Crop, and Color tools. First, let's use the Upscale Quality option. This enhances the quality of your design. After that, we'll apply the halftone feature to remove any semi-transparent pixels. You can adjust the settings based on your preference. For now, I'll stick with the default settings. For the black knockout, we'll be using the color tools. You can select the color to be knocked out either with the color palette or by clicking directly on the image. Then set the Replace With color to match the color you want to knock out. Adjust the tolerance to around 80 to 100, click Remove, and then click Apply. Wait for it to finalize the adjustments. As you can see, the design is overlapping in the artboard. It's either you scale down the design or just simply rotate your image to fit in the artboard. And that's it! Finally, click on Save and Add to Cart.
All right, we got the prints. Let's take a closer look. All right, guys, everything looks amazing. It came out really, really well, guys, especially for how much we took out. I honestly can't wait to see this on a shirt. I don't know if you guys can see, but even on the other side, it is very, very crisp. We have a lot of fine lines here. All right, guys, I'm not gonna tease you anymore. Let's get this on a shirt.
For today's blank, we are using a 402 style number. This is a Smart Blanks blank. This is a black large t-shirt as well. So let's just get started. Just realized I can't get started without this getting cut. So let's get this cut first. All right, guys, let's get this set up. First, we're gonna get our heat press set up. We want to turn on our lasers, making sure it is completely and utterly aligned. Perfect. Just slightly moving it a little bit. Whoever used this was a little bit off. It's okay. Might have been me. There we go. Okay. Awesome. Now let's get our shirt on here. Again, when putting in the shirt as well, we want to make sure it is completely and utterly aligned, guys. And that is going through all the edges. Or this laser alignment tool really doesn't work as well if we don't align our shirt properly. Okay. Looks like everything is leveled. Yep. Everything is good. Awesome. And you guys know what we usually do. We have to find ourselves a midway point. So since it's a little bit tricky with this design, I'm really just going to kind of go by eye of what I'm seeing. So made a little indent right there. Hopefully that's a good indent. And then looks like it's good right on the nose right here. Awesome. All right. Now we just need to wait until our heat presses heat up, and then let's get this started. All right, then let's check it out. It says 281, but to be honest, we do 275 to 300, so like that's a good range regardless. So we're gonna hit that. Get one there. And again, it's gonna be a 7-second press, guys. All right, there we go. And I know I say it to all our videos, guys. Usual, it is a 15-second wait time just before we peel. Most of the time, since it is a hot and cold peel, you can just peel right away. Most solid images, you could just peel right away. With this one, does have a little bit more gradients, but I don't know if you know this, but you can just still peel it right away. Looks really good. And as you guys could tell, everything adhered on there. So let's do the second press now. You guys know the second press is always with the matte finishing sheet. Adds a lot more texture to it, especially since we're doing something more of a realism to it. Since we are doing this skull, we want to add a little bit more texture to it. Awesome. Okay, now let's take a closer look at this. Alright, it looks good, guys. Let's get a closer look at here. And look at that. It did amazing. I don't know if you guys could tell, but even you could see the lines within the actual print. So you could tell that this definitely pressed really, really well. All in all, too, as well. How breathable this is. Like, look at how less indentations that you see on this print. It did so well, guys. And honestly, also being on the DTF Gangsheet Builder, that's crazy that we were able to knock this out. So this came out super well. Get your DTF printable prints with us, guys. But yeah, it looks good. I think we did great, guys. All right, guys, we showed you how to make a boxy t-shirt design into a professional looking graphic design by using Distressify Pro. made it DTF printable using our website's Gangsheet Builder. We then pressed it on a Smart Blanks tee to bring it to life. So let me know in the comments, would you buy this shirt? I hope you guys had a good time watching this video. I definitely had fun putting it together. If you're on the lookout for a reliable DTF supplier, or maybe considering switching from your current one, we'd love the chance to show you what we can do. That's all I've got for today, but if you would like more content like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.